Hey dear users. Welcome to the Agile Store Locator plugin tutorial. Today, we're going to explore how to use Font Awesome icons in the Agile Store Locator plugin, and how to add Font Awesome in our Store Locator templates. If you don't know how to install Font Awesome plugin and leverage Font Awesome icons through the manual CDN method, our latest article will guide you. Also, we've added the article link in the description section. Let's now start including Font Awesome icons in your Store Locator template. So, let's get right into it. To add font icons, go to ASL settings on Agile Store Locator. Now go to the Customizer tab inside the ASL setting dashboard. Choose your template type from the template option in the drop-down menu. For the demonstration purposes, we'll go with template 3. Now select where you want to put the icons. You can either add them to the list or info box options. Let's choose Store List Sidebar for example purposes. Now click on the Load Template so we can edit the HTML script. Now go to the Font Awesome article to pick a code for an icon, or you can also go to the Font Awesome website to choose a code. For example, let's copy the social media Font Awesome icons code and paste a code that will create social media icons on the Store Locator sidebar. Insert the Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram icon code in the template editor. Here you can see all the Font Awesome classes we're using. Now let's go to the front-end display of the Store Locator template and see the social media icons in the store list. Here you can see now all the social media icons are appearing. Now try yourself and let us know if you have any difficulties in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the Agile Store Locator plugin tutorial. Stay tuned for more educational tutorials. Until then, goodbye.